What's going on, man?
Stop.
Do me a favor, stand up.
Huh?
Stand up. I'm gonna detain you for a second. Come here. Put it down.
Yes, sir.
Turn around. Don't tense up on me, man.
I'm not tensing up.
Okay. You know why I'm detaining you?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Once I get these on you, I'll explain it to you. We'll get it all figured out, alright?
Alright.
Did you buy this scooter? You don't want to answer that question? Do you not want to answer that question? Okay. Come over here for me. Got anything in your pockets you're not supposed to have? Guns, knives, drugs, rocket launchers, anything? No? What's that right there?